Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Thursday, 24th of October. Today, we got a little bit of data that we have to review. Initial jobless claims and continued jobless claims came lower than expected in the initial and higher than expected on the continuing. But the big data today was the S&P Global Composite Manufacturing and Services, which came more or less aligned with expectations, but the employment in the manufacturing continues going lower. That coupled with the fact that the initial jobless claims and continued jobless claims are not really showing a strong market, traders are really concerned. Another thing today, it's new home sales. Look at this, 0.7 million as expected and 4.1 in month over month. Apart from this, we have a lot of earnings that are coming out. I have here a quick review from yesterday's. Coca-Cola, it's plummeting. AT&T, it's basically plummeting today, but yesterday was quite a big day. Boeing is in the red. UPS is today beating expectations. American Airlines is really struggling, and IBM down 6%. So I don't think earnings are really meeting expectations. We have a lot of stocks in the red, and the big name today is Tesla, which is up 20% Tesla. On the daily candle, it's huge, man. Huge move for Tesla. I think it's well deserved because the results are really spectacular. But the Nasdaq, it's not liking. It's really not seeing continuation. And what is worth is that the first fair value gap keeps pulling back on the price action. We have a double bottom here on pre-market low, which is what I was, let me show you here, what I was watching. There's also a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And look at this. Let's go to the 15-minute. Look at this bar calling. And we have on the 13-minute these two candles, which are really bullish. And as you can see, we have a double bottom on pre-market lows and then pushing a little bit. And I mean, it's 0.70 due to the overnight push, but Nvidia, it's barely flat. Meta, it's barely flat. Google is flat. Amazon is 1% for a price target maintain of 200. And Apple is in the red and Microsoft is flat. So it's Tesla able with a 20% move intraday to hold the Nasdaq? I would expect more. If things keep pushing, I can see the real manipulation move towards the pre-market high. But I mean, the Russell, it's also not being able to hold the gains. Dollar, it's really pushing down. The banks are, well, a little bit in the green. But the most important thing is this. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let me show you where are we. Because when we were coiling and we dropped down, even with Tesla on a 20% move today, we are still in an inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we are a little bit more difficult to understand, but the 4 hour remains bearish. And unless we really push this level of 400s, I don't think we are out of the woods yet. And that 400s, it's really this zone of this order block with also a 15-minute inverse fair value gap. So really be careful on this, because looks like a dead cat bounce based on Tesla sentiment, but the rest of the market is not properly pushing. You don't see this price action that it's bullish. You see maybe long term of buying the dips, but the Nasdaq is not confident. I'm not confident on a strong Nasdaq. I'm not seeing huge movement. We have here an intraday, an inner candle, and I don't know, guys. Be really careful because I think this today's price action is really blurry due to Tesla's big day, and we have to really be cautious. So that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that the trading day is not over yet. Let the dust settle, and tomorrow will be a better day. I think today is not the price action I would like to trade. Patience, discipline, and risk management are key for your success in this business. So stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.